Hi guys, this is Zsolt. In today's video we are going to check out the Sonax Headlight Restorer Kit or the Sonax Scheinwerfer Aufbereitungsset, which I received from sonax.hu. However, it's not a paid advert. You are going to hear and see my honest opinion as usual. Normally these kind of kits have some sanding paper, sanding blocks, polishing compounds, some coating for the headlight and some towels. As far as I can see, it is the same with this one, but we are just about to open it up and unbox it. Let's roll. Alrighty, so as usual, it has some of these stamps, the sanding paper, a block for the sanding, block for the polishing, piles of towels, not microfiber, just some towel, or cloth rather, the polishing compound and the coating. I will need to start to use the 3000 sanding paper, then move over to the 5000. In my opinion, there should be some further steps, some more lower grit sanding papers, but it is what it is.
I've got one thing on my mind. I already hear the boom. Baby, I'm not running around looking for nobody else. I've got one thing on my mind. I already hear the bells. I'm a victim of love calling out to heaven above for yeah. Baby, I'm not running around looking for nobody else. I've got one thing on my mind. I already hear the bells. I'm a victim of love calling out to heaven above for yeah. Baby, I'm not running around. 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 Baby, I'm not. Baby, I'm not. Baby, I'm not. Baby, I'm not.
Okay, boys and girls, that was the Sonax headlight repair kit. I have to say it was working nicely. We had to apply with my friend a little bit of trickery, because these headlights had a layer of clear coat, not the factory clear coat, but some aftermarket clear coat. A few years ago it was sprayed on it and it was not really good quality. Most of the clear coat came off before the car came here, but some we had to scrap off, and where we scrapped it off, then it had a bit deeper scratches. So after I finished with the 3000 and the 5000 and the polishing, I quickly went around the headlight with a 600, 800, 1200 and 2000 grit sandpaper, and then again I've done the 3000, 5000 and the polishing. But the overall result was very similar, only these deeper scratches at the edges where the clear coat didn't want to come off easily. That's what these other sandpapers removed. Obviously it's not going to flawlessly remove all the dirt from this, I don't know, like a headlight that is having like UV damage for the past 20 years, so you need to obviously keep it in its place. If it's a very damaged headlight, then don't use this on that one. But if it's like lightly damaged, then it would repair it nicely. So all in all, the headlights looked considerably better after I finished with this than when the car arrived. So I can hands on heart recommend, but again, keep in mind, obviously not for the very much damaged headlights, it's the lightly damaged headlights. And that concludes the video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and press the notification bell so you're not going to miss any of my upcoming videos. I'd like to say a big thank you for your time and catch you on the next one. Bye bye.